Belekno kemang sajanai mangpili kasawi fekya kotor pati mong pati wi thangkamun scholar club amchayo Sikla crossing tomung nugai kemang saka amchain lukurok te police pati mungo shawi manka scholar club amchayo kotor pati mong pati wi thangkamun Lama Kwcharo Malkhung motori pai Lama Kwcharo no Mwktwrwi thangi pekya Iqbal muya mungoi Sikla khroksha yagulo amchain lukurok ni mokolo kalaike te thanawo koktoma hormani bai jora kolog rumai police te amchain lukurok ringmani bai Shoti thamsi jora laimani yagulo Malkhung motornai doga fiogoi rekha shisaka doga fiogoi nuka Chuak Kephek Thangjak Malkhung motornai Iqbal Mia Chuak Kephek tutunya Malkhung motorka Lama Kwcharo Malkhung motori pai Lama Kwcharo na Mwktwrwi thangi pekya Chuak Kephek yagulo Shalka Agartala thana police Bonawromai thana hotelangi thangka nainedi chinimang piluwo
Kung karam na ko. Ha? Balik ko. Bye. Balik kung kano.
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantri multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikanawa railway station.